Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, Eric N.J. Liddell. Date of birth 16/1/1902. Date of death 21/2/1945. Homeland China. Place of vision China. Eric N.J. Liddell was born into a Scottish missionary family in China. He was sent to Eltham College, London, and then graduated from the University of Edinburgh, Scotland. There he was an outstanding sportsman and became the fastest runner in Scotland. When he was chosen to represent Britain in 100-meter dash at the Olympics in 1924 in Paris, he refused to enter the race as it was scheduled on a Sunday. He considered Sunday a holy day dedicated to God. Instead, he competed in the 400-meter race and won a gold medal despite insufficient preparation. Surely, God honors those who honor Him. Liddell found this accomplishment as an opportunity to share the gospel and guided several young people towards the light of Christ. The young and modest Christian athlete, despite being in his prime, walked away from the glorious career and followed his parents' footsteps to become a missionary in China. He trained at the Scottish Congregation College in Edinburgh before leaving for China. After arriving in China in 1925, he taught science, English and sports at the Anglo-Chinese Christian College in Tynedon. He believed in raising a generation of students with Christian principles and Western science to change the country. In 1941, when the Japanese forces invaded China, the British nationals were ordered to leave the country. Liddell, however, stayed behind, sending away his family and interned by the Japanese soldiers. Despite the hardship and shortage of food, he traveled on foot and bicycle to serve the Chinese locals. Although he was found an opportunity to leave China through a prisoner exchange program, he gave his place to another pregnant woman. He spent the remainder of his life conducting Sunday services in war camps. Becoming weak due to severe malnutrition, Liddell left the battles of this world in 1945 to live in peace with his Creator in heaven. Beloved, what is more important to you, Christian identity or worldly achievement? Lord, help me to run the race of faith with the same endurance and boldness as that of Liddell. Amen.